Welcome back to this week's Disney World News Roundup. We've got a few big updates across the parks, from Tomorrowland snacks to Animal Kingdom premieres and holiday specials. Buckle up, there's a lot to cover. Story number 1. AstroFizz opens, replacing Cool Ship. In Magic Kingdom, Cool Ship has officially been replaced by the new snack kiosk, AstroFizz. Cool Ship served guests for decades before eventually being removed this summer. AstroFizz brings a sleek, retro-futuristic design inspired by Tomorrowland's aesthetic, with teal and neon trim. Menu details previewed include frozen slushies, a cherry cola churro, and popcorn, a bold snack upgrade compared to before. Its location near Space Mountain and Star Traders ensures it will pull late-night traffic and offer refreshing treats in the world of tomorrow. Story number 2. Disney Parks holiday specials air dates set on ABC. ABC has announced broadcast dates for the Disney Parks holiday specials, spotlighting performances from Walt Disney World. The 2-hour special, The Wonderful World of Disney Holiday Spectacular, will air December 1st from 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern. The venerable Disney Parks Magical Christmas Day Parade will air December 25th, starting at 10 a.m. Eastern, marking its 40th anniversary. These specials highlight seasonal entertainment across the resort, including musical performances, park footage, and festive storytelling. With streaming and broadcast becoming more important, these air dates serve both fans at home and guests planning holiday visits. Guests heading to the parks in November or December should consider crowds and filming zones may be impacted. Story number 3. Garden View Lounge to reopen with new tea experience in early 2026. At the Grand Floridian Resort and Spa, the historic Garden View Lounge is set to reopen in early 2026 with a refreshed tea time format. For decades, the lounge has been a refined stop for afternoon tea and pastries. The reopening builds on Grand Floridian's luxury identity and adds to the resort-wide refresh that's been ongoing in recent years. Afternoon tea at Disney has become more popular, so the timing of this reopen aligns with guest demand for refined experiences. Story number 4. Zootopia. Better Zoogether opens at Animal Kingdom. The highly anticipated new show, Zootopia Better Zoogether, officially opened November 7th inside the Tree of Life Theater. It replaces the long-running It's Tough to Be a Bug, which had entertained guests since the park's early years. The storyline features favorites like Judy and Nick Wilde, new characters like Heidi Howler, and a finale by Gazelle, all in Carrot Vision 3D with scents and effects. Guests can meet Judy and Nick in new Zootopia 2 themed costumes at the Zoogether Day gathering spot near Discovery Island. This show aligns with the release of Zootopia 2 and represents Disney's push to bring strong IP into Animal Kingdom's evolving family of attractions. Animal Kingdom guests accustomed to the previous show should expect different tone and style, but the immersive Tree of Life hub remains central to the guest experience. Story number 5. Disney Plus subscriber. Exclusive Spring 2026 ticket offer announced. Disney has introduced a subscriber-only ticket deal for Spring 2026. Active Disney Plus subscribers enrolled in Disney Plus Perks can purchase a 3-day, 3-park ticket starting at just $109 per day. The offer covers 3 days at 3 theme parks, Epcot Hollywood Studios, Animal Kingdom, between January 12th and May 22nd, excluding Magic Kingdom. This is the latest in Disney's efforts to reward subscription service customers and boost early season attendance. That wraps up this week's Disney World news. Snack changes, attraction openings, television specials, and new perks all in the mix. Which update impacts your next trip the most? Drop your thoughts below, hit like, subscribe, and we'll see you again next week with more magic.